I'm over here at the Star City road test site. It is brick out here. I don't know, it's like 15 degrees or some shit like this, but this is what happens when you're at the road test site. You gotta wait out in the cold while your student does their road test. Or if you're taking a road test and you were at a driving school, sometimes the driving school has more than one person, dress accordingly because you will be waiting outside while the other person does their road test. So dress properly. See what I'm wearing. I got about 5 coats on, 3 scarves, 2 hats, 15 pairs of socks. I'm good.